Welcome to DevOps Beacon. In this video, we will install Jenkins on Windows. So here we are at www.jenkins.io. Click on download. The reason why you will fall in love with Jenkins is it supports multiple ways of installation, and we will look into few ways of Jenkins installation in different videos. If we come to download section, we can see that there are multiple options. We can see generic Java package, Docker, Ubuntu, CentOS, Windows, and other operating systems listed over here. So we can download LTS release, or we can download the weekly release as well. So I have already downloaded the war file here, and what I'll do is I'll go to command prompt. So now we can see that we are in the folder, and let's verify the installable. So we can see the jenkins.war file is already available. Now the important point is how to start the Jenkins war file, or how to start Jenkins. For that we need to execute command java-jar jenkins.war. And once we start this, what it will do is it will go to a default .jenkins location and store all the Jenkins related files there. So that usually we call Jenkins home or Jenkins underscore home. So let's go to C drive in users. Here we can see that now multiple files and folders are expected here. This is the war file which we are expecting. Let's go back to our command prompt, and now we can see that there is something called initial setup is required. So the message is Jenkins initial setup is required. The admin user has been created and password is generated. So the next task is to visit localhost. By default it runs on 8080, and here we can see that Jenkins has given message that please wait while Jenkins is getting ready to work. Your browser will reload automatically when Jenkins is ready. Let's go to our command prompt, and we can see that certain actions are there. So it is saying Jenkins is fully up and running, and the next screen is to unlock the Jenkins, and it is saying that you need to provide initial admin password. You can provide this initial admin password from two places. One is available in the console itself, or you can go to the location which is provided here. So it is in users, the DevOps beacon user .jenkins secret and initial admin password. So let's verify .jenkins secret initial admin password. So at this moment we will copy the password from here, and we will provide the password at this place and click on continue. The next step is to install suggested plugins. I would highly recommend to do that, so you don't need to go and install plugins manually. All the required plugins will be installed here, or you can select specific plugins to be installed at for another location. Now if you are behind the proxy in your organization, then there will be another dialog box or another page will come which will ask you to provide proxy details. So you need to provide proxy URL, username and password, so internet can be connected and plugins can be downloaded. And we can see multiple pipeline plugin failures or multiple plugin failures here. So what we can do is we can retry or we can continue. So for this time we will click on retry. I have restarted Jenkins because of plugin installation failures. Let us verify the console. As of now there are no errors, so this time it should be installed properly. We'll wait until all the plugins are installed successfully. So we can see that multiple plugins are getting installed. There's only one failure with respect to Gradle which might be resolved, or we will retry again. So it has been resolved. Now let's provide username, click on save and continue. We can configure our Jenkins URL here. So if you want to configure with specific IP address, you can directly do it here. Click on save and finish and click on start using Jenkins. So here is our Jenkins dashboard. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.